The Wolf and the Crane. Once a wolf was eating his dinner. A wolf was eating his dinner. As he was eating, a bone looked in his throat. Ah! Ah! Howled the poor wolf in pain. The bone looked in the wolf's throat. What is he gonna do? So away he hurried to a crane for help. So the wolf decided to hurry to the crane for help. He said to the crane, "My friend, I've a bone stuck deep in my throat. If you put it out with your long beak, I shall reward you handsomely." Is the wolf trying to lie to the crane? The crane happily agreed to help. So the wolf opened his mouth wide. The crane put his beak into the wolf's throat and pulled out the bone. There you are. It's out, the crane said to the wolf, throwing the bone away. Now give me my reward. What reward? The wolf coughed. I have been kind enough to not eat you. Now go away before I change my mind. Oh no! What is the crane gonna do? Fly away? The disappointed crane quickly flew away. The moral is never trust a wicked. That is the end, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. And welcome to Meshnee channels, many channels. Bye. Subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notifications, and share the videos.